In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an Android app using AI without any coding knowledge and how to run it on your Android device. Let's jump right in. We'll show you how to do this in 5 easy steps. Just follow along, and you'll have it done in no time. Step 1. Generate code in ChatGPT and check the code. Head over to chatgpt.com. Type in the niche for your app and ask it to generate the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for you. Look at that! ChatGPT has generated the code for your app. Next, go to codepen.com. Click on Start Coding to begin. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the HTML code, then return to CodePen and paste it into the HTML box. Repeat the same for CSS and JavaScript. Now, drag the bottom panel in CodePen to see the result of the code you just added from ChatGPT. And there you have it. The code generated by ChatGPT is now compiled and running perfectly. Step 2. Customizing the code. Now, go back to ChatGPT and type in the specific changes or customizations you want for your code. Whether it's a new feature, a design tweak, or something more advanced, just prompt ChatGPT, and it will generate the updated code for you. Next, copy the updated HTML, CSS, and JavaScript codes from ChatGPT. Go back to CodePen, delete the previous code you pasted, and replace it with the new code. This will apply all the customizations and updates you requested. Once you've pasted the new code, drag the bottom panel again to see the fresh changes come to life in CodePen. Step 3. Save the code locally to your computer. Open Notepad and copy the HTML code from CodePen. Paste it into Notepad, then click Save. Create a new folder with your app's name. And save the file as index.html, exactly like shown in the video. Next, open a new notepad and copy the CSS code from CodePen. Paste it into Notepad. Then save the file as styles.css in the same folder you created earlier. Now, repeat the same process for the JavaScript code. Open a new notepad, paste the JavaScript code, and then save the file as script.js. Remember, use the exact file names shown in the video to make the app work. After saving the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files locally, open the folder in File Explorer where you saved them. Then, double-click the index.html file to run your app in the browser. And there it is, your app is up and running successfully. Step 4. Upload the app online. Now, to get your app online, let's head over to tiny.host. Don't forget, all the tools used in this video are in the description below. Once you're on tiny.host, start by giving your app a unique link name. Next, click on Upload File. Select your app folder, then compress it into a zip file. After that, simply drag and drop the zipped file into tiny.host. Sign in with your Google account, and just like that, your app is live online with a shareable link. To see it in action, click the Visit Site button, and as you can see, your app is now live on the web. Step 5. Compile the web app into an Android app. Head over to webintoapp.com. Click on Get Started. Copy the link to your live web app and paste it into the URL box. Next, give your app a name and enter your company or brand name, then click Next. Now, choose an app icon and select Free Android app. Then click Make App, enter your sign-in details and click Register. Then hit Make App again. Your web app will start transforming into an Android app. Once it's done compiling, click Download to get your app's APK file. After downloading and extracting the zip file, you'll find your Android app's APK ready to install. Now, let's send the APK file to your device using Google Drive. First, open Google Drive and then simply drag and drop the APK file into your Google Drive, and it'll be ready to access from your phone or tablet. Now let's switch to our Android device to download the APK file from Google Drive. On your Android device, open Google Drive and download the APK file we just uploaded from the computer. Once it's downloaded, install the app, and then open it. And there you have it. Your Android app is successfully running on your device. You can even take it a step further and publish it on the Google Play Store.